got out using a screwdriver. A motherfucking screwdriver. That's how we got out.
So far from washing my truck.
I mean, it could be worse. You could have all this.
Your mama gonna flip, son.
You're gonna be all right.
I gotta go to
Tore my front yard pretty good. I had a few bags of soil, so I already filled it in, kinda, sorta. I would have got out on my own, but they got a little runoff ditch that follows behind this house, and my front tire was just like completely stuck in it because I only got two-wheel drive, you know. And it don't look that bad on camera, but you know, actually seeing it with your own eyes is pretty bad. So I went to Walmart on my day off. All this happened. Went to Walmart, you know, bought some little topsoil and some sand, you know. Sand gonna stay in my truck. Topsoil is obviously to fix the ground so my moms don't complain. Oh, and after he pulled me out, I was about right here. And yeah, I backed up some more, you know, trying to get out to go buy some topsoil. Got stuck again. But luckily, I was able to get out on my own. You know, not too muddy from the top side, but when you get down low, it's actually pretty muddy. But it just got through raining. I don't know if you can really tell. Yeah, it just got through raining. And you know, yeah. Now, I'm about to fix it all up, make it look all nice and pretty so my moms don't fuss me, you know. And I'll show y'all afterwards once I get it all fixed up. Well, 3 bags of salt. Well, I had 2 plus 3 more later. Filled in most of the holes. That's just water that's holed up in that one. I ran out before I could fill it. Put it together real good. So she ain't gonna be as mad. It's just gonna be, you know, random dark soil all over. But this is how deep my tire was. Imagine this at the bottom, you know. This would be at the bottom. It was up to the bottom lip of the rim. Top right here, but the bottom. So my front tire was what was keeping me stuck, cause I mean I got the good tire on the back sides of them, but at the end of the month I'll be ordering my tires, my grips. I'm not gonna say what type I'm getting yet, but I will have them ordered at the end of the month. And yeah, that's it for today. You know, wasn't really even planning on making this video until I had tires and I get stuck with the tires, but never know. Just got stuck early. Y'all have a nice day.